What's going on, YouTube? Welcome again to another video. So before we get started, I just want to thank today's video sponsor, youbuymotor.com. They carry a wide variety of motorcycle parts for different makes and models. So if you are looking for something new for your bike, they are currently having a sale which ends in January 20th. Free shipping on orders over $20 and 12% off on all orders. So if you're in the market for new motorcycle parts, go ahead and check them out. And I'll leave a video link on the description below. So let's get started on the topic of the video today. Shorty levers for the KTM 1290 Super Duke R. So as you can see, these are adjustable and in black. They have these in different colors as well, so I just chose black because I like the black theme of the bike, and as well as the brake lever here. Very easy install. It's just the main bolt here on both sides, and the stock one will pull out. There's three things that you need to transfer to this new lever to use these levers, which is the sleeve on the stock one that goes into here, and also as well as the pin. So the sleeve, the pin, and the pin on the brake side. So just those three things, and reassemble everything and put it all back. That's it. Took me like 5 minutes to change these levers. There's nothing to it. It's nice that this is a hydraulic system, because I hate dealing with cables. All right, thank you guys for watching, and once again, they support the channel, and if you feel like you need something new for your bike, please go ahead and support them as well, because they do have a sale right now, so helps you out as well on that. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one.